Hello! In this video I will review and unbox the Epson CISS multifunctional printer, the L3200 series model. I will cover the following in this video, and the model used is Ecotank L3250. There are different 3200 series models available, and there are some differences between them. Let me start the review from the basic specs. The key reason to buy CISS printer is low-cost printing, and this model includes 2 black and 3 color ink bottles in the box. The printer setup on this product you will find in the separate video in the upper right corner of the screen. L3250 is a multifunctional printer with print, scan and copy function. You can only copy from the platen glass. For the print speed, always check only ISO speed figures, which should be close to the printer speed in the real life. Let me do the quick copy test. This was mono copy. Let's do the color copy. When you connect this Ecotank printer to Wi-Fi, you can use elegant way and copy using the smart device screen for more copy options. More about this in the next videos on this model. As I mentioned earlier, only flatbed scan is possible. So if you need to scan more pages, then maybe the L3200 series model with automatic document feeder may be more practical. Check my review on that model in the upper right corner of the screen. There is only one tray for paper with the capacity of 100 plain paper pages, or you can put some photo paper. Finally, about the connectivity, this is the Wi-Fi model with Wi-Fi and Wi-Fi direct possibility. Here I print from Epson Smart Panel app. The printer will be connected in the video part 3 on this model, and you can find the Wi-Fi setup in the upper right corner notification. If you use Apple devices, then you may need to go for the higher L3260 model, which supports Airprint. 2 black bottles and set of color magenta, cyan and yellow bottle is included within the box. The ink levels could be more visible as they are all gray, but the ink bottles have protection from putting the wrong ink to the wrong sub-tank. Finally, let me check the water resistance of the inks on the plain paper. There is no pigment ink in this model, so no color is water resistant. In the upper right corner of the screen you find the competitive Pixma printer with pigment black ink. In the next part I will unbox the device. First, here is what I found in the box after unboxing. And if you want to see the full unboxing, just continue watching the video. The setup in the next video will start by scanning the QR code on the manuals, which guides to download the app. Here is the step-by-step unboxing. The unboxing is finished, and to make the printer ready for the setup in the next video, I will remove all the blue tapes from the printer in the fast forward movie mode. I am almost done. There is only one more piece to remove here. And that would be all in this video. Find more about printers in the playlist on my channel. Feel free to comment or ask questions. Do not forget to subscribe, as it helps me to grow the channel and create more videos like this. Thank you for watching and sharing, and please like the video. Bye.